Hello and welcome to the STEIL Food Chain Puzzle Model video tutorial. In this video, I will be covering the details and application of the 3D printed food chain puzzle model, as well as considerations to make when using this as a manipulative in your classroom. The model was designed to allow elementary and middle school students who are blind or visually impaired to study and put together simple food chains using tactile representations of producers, decomposers, and consumers at different trophic levels. Each puzzle piece has tabs and slots that match up with higher and lower trophic level pieces to allow students to put consumers in the correct order of a food chain. This can allow students to have a tactile model of energy flow in an ecosystem. Each piece has two lines of braille dots to help with identification of where in the order of a food chain an organism belongs. The first line is a pair of braille letters that correspond with its trophic level, and the second is a word or set of words that help identify the name of the organism or organisms being represented. Additionally, each piece has a raised silhouette of the organism for students to observe while putting together their food chains. The shape should be explored and individual structures of it should be explained for students who are completely blind to help them make sense of the tactile picture because of its simplicity. When using the model, it is important to clarify the meaning of each braille term. PD refers to producers and decomposers. PC refers to primary consumer. SC refers to secondary consumer. TC refers to tertiary consumer. The puzzle pieces all start from producers and decomposers as the first piece. Each subsequent piece will attach above that, starting with a primary consumer, followed by a secondary or tertiary consumer. It should be noted that only certain secondary and tertiary consumers can attach to certain primary consumers. Some tertiary consumers can also attach to primary consumers directly, skipping a secondary consumer piece. Multiple possible food chains can be produced from the model pieces, providing the opportunity for students to develop food webs as they make sense of the interactions between organisms. One example of how this can be shown would be to start with the producers and decomposers, then attach the deer piece as a primary consumer, then attach the mountain lion piece as a tertiary consumer, skipping secondary. The mountain lion could instead be switched with a coyote, showing that multiple predators may eat a single type of prey. Thanks for watching the STEIL Food Chain Puzzle Model video. We hope this has given you ideas for how to implement the model in your classroom. A link to the model STL files for printing is in the video description below.